Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me your thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Think about where we're going.
Alright, let's get straight to it. This channel is all about teaching you songs, so I'm going to keep it really simple and just give you the raw materials that you need to learn this one. If you want to get hold of the backing track that I was playing to, it's free. Just hit the link in the description, which will take you to my Patreon page, and look for BT96 in the feed. So you can also get the chord chart, which will have the diagrams, the fingerings, the arrangement, note values, key signature, time signature, all that good stuff. And signing up for just $1 a month actually will give you over 100 chord charts and be a great way to sort of support the page as well. So let's get into it. Let's start with the chords and looking at what we're going to be learning. So we're starting with a C/F. Okay, so we're on the 8th fret here, kind of like an F major 7 in fact. sus2 actually, because we won't have the third in there. Okay, but the notes are C, E and G and F. Then we're going to go to a E minor 7. Okay, so we're using the voicings that are, you know, more accurate with the track. And then we're going to take that shape down to the 5th fret root here, which is a D, and that's a D minor 7, yeah? Just the A, D and G strings on the D minor 7, and then we've also got an F with a G in the bass, yeah? You can play it however you find more comfortable. I just like using my thumb. Okay, and then we've also got the riff with a little palm mute there with the right hand, which we'll talk about as well. So let's just start with the going through the chords with the timing, and then we'll put the riff in there and see how it all works. Okay, so in terms of timing, the chord chart will have the note values, the rests, all that stuff there if you want to get technical, but I think it's always best to just use your ear. So let's go through it. So that's just with the chords, yeah? Then it repeats. There's the riff, should be in there, but right, and that's the whole progression. It just repeats over and over again. What is the riff? Then we'll learn it and then we'll stick it in. So we're in the key of A, okay? So you would definitely know your A minor pentatonic, and you're gonna see that it revolves around. There's the root, the A. We go 5th fret, D string. So 5, 5, 7, G string, 5, and then back to the root of the A, yeah, which is 7th fret D string, yeah. So let's just put it in context. So here's the riff. Okay, and as I said, with a little palm mute on the right hand, and then we go back to the E minor 7. Okay, and if you wanted to, you could put a little slide to take you to the D minor 7, and that will just be on the G string, up a tone, and then to D minor 7. So let me put all that together, see how it sounds. Little thing to mention, sorry, we got to be staccato on that E minor 7, yeah? So okay, and then the second time around, I'd say leave the slide out. I've got the riff. And that's it. I just repeat that round and round. That's everything you need. Leave a comment if you've got any questions, as always. Get in touch via Instagram. I do stuff on there that I don't post on YouTube, so definitely check me out. And yeah, shout out to CP360 who produced the track. Only One Mics who laced the vocals, actually recorded it through his phone via WhatsApp, so that was pretty cool. And that's it, I'll leave it there. So hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care.